We're back here, same spot. I don't know where the fool's taking me, but we're gonna wait her out today. Are you sure we're in the right spot?
Yeah, I know I am. I think we gotta get out together.
There's a fucking crocodile in here, you know that?
Hey, are you here already?
Oh,
Where you at?
Mount Coron,
Oh, are you? Wait, where are you going?
that way.
Wait, where you at? Where you going?
You told me?
Linden?
I'm here. What the hell?
What?
Okay, so you know where all those RVs in the tree is? Do we park right by that?
Yeah.
And then we walk. So, is it by the bushes, or do we have to go where that little stream is coming out to the mouth?
40 bushes here.
Where? Just walk in there, you don't be scared.
There's an alligator.
Alright.
There's a fucking alligator in here, man.
You sure we gotta walk? We gotta walk. Oh, you can't even. We gotta walk in here, dude. Yeah.
Where the hell are we going?
Hey, adventure time.
If I die from an alligator
You're not
today,
gonna die.
Just
If we find an alligator, we're taking it home and eating it. We're gonna eat an alligator.
no man, DWR is gonna whoop your ass.
It's gonna die anyways. Feed the people.
Yeah, no, brother. Us Asians don't eat everything, okay?
Yeah, we do.
No, fool, we don't eat them dogs.
I don't eat dogs.
Man. Oh my god, dude, you don't look at we have to walk through all that.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it's not bad today.
I thought it would have been hella windier.
Yeah. It's pretty chill today. Dude,
Yo, boy.
I gotta walk my ass through that. Holy hell. Alright, this better be worth it. Ouch, ouch. If I die to alligator, Grant, you can have my truck.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh! He ain't gonna die. He's just being a crybaby.
Where the hell are we going? I don't fucking know. Oh, we're going somewhere. Let's hope somebody doesn't kill us, alright? Oh, it's not too bad. There's a trail. Where the hell are we? We made it, I think.
I don't know what's gonna happen. It's not even that deep. Are you just gonna cast a reel?
Hell yeah. That's the goal.
I don't have enough room for my...
I think we found them. Somebody just hooked up.
I saw him come up to that.
Really?
Yeah.
We're in the weirdest spot right here. Dude, this is how Alaska is. I can see him swimming. Hey. Damn, boy, we found him. Let's go. We found him.
Don't doubt my spots.
Hell yeah. Damn, they're beautiful, dude. Beautiful fish. I told you, Somi always takes me to the weirdest places. The hell? The hell? Oh no! The fuck? They're literally right in front of us. Oh fuck! Y'all saw that? Hooking up, dude. Hooking up. No fucking way. There's no fucking way there's fish in here. Look where we are right now. Shit. What the hell? I don't know how you guys find these places, but good shit.
You know, they just found the stream they like.
Hooked up, hooked up.
Oh. Oh, one came up.
You got a double?
Yeah, I have a double.
My dude.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be such a bitch carrying this so bad.
You should cut one up. You got a knife? Dude, these are good size too. What the hell? They're not like those dinky ass white bass. For you haters, we're keeping the big ones. Just like that, boys. Shout out to Nat. Nat and Morris.
That didn't even tell me shit. It was
Oh,
all
shout out to Morris. Always letting us know the good spots. I think they're in this deep spot right here, so like just right here. You know what's crazy? Even though they hear us, they're just still down there. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. Fucking beautiful. Ooh, oh, you got double, fool. Oh, yeah.
No, he was chasing that. I didn't hit him.
White bass always come in school, so if you see one, just fucking throw it. You see the third one chasing him?
Oh, like, yeah.
Oh, you only have one?
I had one. There's
Oh.
two other ones.
I thought you had double the whole time.
Bingo, he was just, I was chasing him.
I spoke too soon. It just died. We just hit that little pocket and that's it. Yeah, it just straight up died.
What the fuck?
It was hot for like a good, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
And
We
then,
know there's more in here because we saw like a triple.
oh yeah. I bet they'll swim. They'll start moving soon. I think it's just, they're just not here right now.
Get it? Fuck you, Kevin.
Yeah, caught your fish.
Okay. Got it.
They're back, but so late. Oh. They're back, dude. Ooh. Dang, dude. Baller. They're back, dudes. Oh, my hands are so frozen.
Really? Not like ice cream, though.
Yeah, better than ice fish. Well, good day. Let's go, boy. White bass?
Yep.
Damn, that means there's another one over there. Watch out, watch.
They're like close to the ridge.
Yeah. Well, good day. Let's go, boy. White bass?
Yep.
Damn, that means there's another one over there. Watch out, watch.
They're like close to the ridge.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad we didn't catch too many. So we have to haul this shit out.
Oh, for real.
Defeat. Good day, good day. Now we're gonna walk back. Not bad haul. I think we got like 10 each.